Hello from Minnesota's highest rated Kia dealer, Lupient Kia in Brooklyn Park. No more waiting for your new car to arrive. We're excited to say that we finally have inventory. We always keep one of our remodel here for you to test drive, and now you can drive yours home the same day. Sportage, Sorento, Carnival, K5, Nero, EV6, Forte, even the 2024 Telluride is here and ready to drive. The new car you want, the equipment you want, and even the color you want, in stock and ready to take home. To save you some time, just visit our website and schedule a VIP test drive appointment. Pick a day and time that works best for you, and one of our product specialists will have the car or SUV of your choice pulled up and ready for arrival. After your test drive, we'll show you how easy it is to do business with Lupient Kia. Now here's Howard to tell you about some of this month's specials.
Season's greetings. I'm Howard with Lupient Kia of Brooklyn Park. For the season of giving back, we have over 100 new Kias available for immediate delivery. Stop in to pick your new 2024 Telluride. This month, lease a 2024 Telluride S all-wheel drive for $499 per month for 36 months with money down. Reasons to choose the 2024 Telluride include dual panoramic instrument and infotainment displays, heated and ventilated front seats, available all-wheel drive, and Kia's brand-wide, industry-leading 10-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Lupient Kia has served over 1,000 customers this year alone, and we'd love to serve you. Stop in to our year-end sales event to get your 2024 Telluride.
Visit Lupient Kia, located next to Walmart in Brooklyn Park, or online at lupientkia.com.